Welcome to the Cuarto Journal, and for today's episode, we're venturing to Dubai Garden Center for a flower shopping spree to grace our balcony. We'll also indulge in some deep cleaning and then embark on a transformation journey. Watch as we carefully arrange our new floral treasures alongside other elements, breathing life into our space and creating a serene sanctuary. So stay tuned! So our very first stop is Dubai Garden Center. It is actually located along Sheikh Zayed Road, and they sell a wide range of shrubs, seasonal and large trees and plants, as well as flowers and other arrangements. Alongside the plants, they also sell a wide range of garden accessories, seeds, water features, sun loungers, fertilizers, hard landscaping products, and so on and so forth. Later on in the video, we will show you the flowers that we bought. Now we are on our way home, and before anything else, we need to do a general cleaning to really make sure everything is squeaky clean. First, we'll start off by wiping down our glass panel and also this partition wall. We have this feather duster which is extendable up to 30 to 100 inches. It is also washable and detachable. Also, our other two members of the family are here with us, Spotty and Maureen. Say hi! We also use this microfiber spray mop, which comes with a sprayer and two washable mop replacements. So this is our newest and favorite purchase of all, the Oraimo cordless stick vacuum. It provides 35 minutes running time for the whole house cleaning. It has maximum flexibility, can be adjustable, and has a powerful cyclonic suction. And the best part is, it's freestanding. Next, we decorate this corner with this existing corner shelf we have. And then we just added our old vacuum cleaner as well as some existing plants. It's lunch break time, and for today's recipe, we'll be making bibimbap. This is one of our favorite meals to do because it's super easy and delicious. So all you have to do is add a little bit of oil, your minced garlic, and start sauteing all of your vegetables, including the thin beef. So there are two ways to arrange this. One is in a cooking pan, so just add your rice at the bottom, arrange your vegetables and beef, add your egg, some gochujang, sesame seeds and sesame oil, and you're done. The second way is arranging it in the traditional Korean dolsot, which is originally made for cooking bibimbap. So just do the same thing, but instead of cooking the egg on a separate pan, you add it to the dolsot. Cover it and wait for the egg to cook, then add your gochujang, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. Now let's continue cleaning the balcony. So we got this golden plant stand, which has a 5-tier metal shelf, perfect for our balcony since it is space-saving and at the same time, it can create a beautiful and tidy look. We also added this neutral colored camping chair, which is very cute and durable. On our coffee table, we added a table mat and this very cute pot arrangement which we also got from Dubai Garden Center a little while back. Our existing hanging pots used to look like this, and now we are transplanting our pretty flowers here to give a pop of color to our balcony. Also, the flowers we got were seasonal ground-covered flowering plants such as petunias, marigolds, and carnations. And also, we added these solar light LED panels, which has warm white light and is also waterproof. And lastly, we cleaned this corner of the balcony and arranged the pots properly. So here is the final look. We've just finished giving our balcony a complete makeover. From giving a thorough cleaning to adding some gorgeous flowers and tending to our existing plants, the transformation is stunning. This concludes our third episode. I hope you learned a thing or two from us. Please support our channel by liking this video and subscribing down below. We will post more fun videos about our family, lifestyle, food, and travel. See you on the next episode. Bye!